Hey Saab people, in today's video, I'm going to go over my absolute favorite must-have tool for working on Saabs. I get a lot of people asking me, hey, have you ever done this? Hey, have you ever done that? How do I fix this? What do I do? Where do I start? Of course, I don't mind people reaching out and asking me questions. In fact, I encourage it. Always feel free to reach out. My Instagram is right in the bottom left of the screen. But other than direct experience, how do I know or learn how to work on so many different systems on Saabs? Well, I will answer that today. And in short, it is SaabWIS, or some people call it SaabWIS. This is a really neat tool that was originally used by dealerships. It's all of the manuals, all of the information on Saabs with a search feature. Sometimes I use it just to look plainly at wiring diagrams. Sometimes I look at it to know adjustment and removal procedures. Soon I will also be releasing a video on how to navigate this website a bit easier, because a lot of people open this up and it's just a bunch of information right in their face. It can be a little hard to read if you are new to it, and a lot of what it's talking about can be difficult to decipher as well. So stay tuned for that video, it is coming. There is more than one way to access this database of information. I typically use SaabWIS online myself because you can access it from anywhere, computer, phone, laptop, whatever. I also have a physical version on my laptop if I'm going somewhere with no service and my phone doesn't have internet, say a customer's house or something like that. I have the physical version downloaded to my laptop. I don't even remember how I got that. Someone downloaded it for me, which was super sweet. You can use this website for removal and replacement procedures on something as simple as a brake job, or it will give you all of the tightening specs that you need for something as crazy as an engine rebuild. This is your one-stop shop for Saab information, especially if you don't have the experience yourself in doing something and you're not comfortable. It literally has drawn pictures and blueprints. You can look at how things are oriented. It gives you tightening specs and all sorts of other information. It's super, super useful. I know this wasn't a very long video. This is kind of an intro. I know it was a little clickbaity, but it's really important that you find out what this is and see it like this, and then you can dive into my playlist that is going to be full of guides on how to use SaabWIS. I will go through all kinds of information, how to do searches, stuff like that. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.